Jeremiah 25:32. Thus saith the Lord of hosts, Behold, evil shall go forth from nation to nation to nation, and a great whirlwind shall be raised up from the coasts of the earth. June 12, 2012. A rare tornado-like whirlwind dripped through the city of Venice, Italy, leaving a path of destruction in its wake. The tornado, also known as tromba di aria, which means trumpet of the air in Italian, ripped rooftops off houses and completely destroyed at least one park. Some people were injured as they were hit by blunt objects the strong wind sent flying. A thick, dark column could be seen rising behind the historic Italian city's bell towers, which was recently hit by a massive quake which damaged historical monuments and landmarks. Outlying islands were worst hit as hundreds of trees were uprooted and scenes of panic reported. Sailing ships and restaurants were also damaged, according to media reports.